Check out this is 2011 Jeep Wrangler Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are CD player, engine immobilizer, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag, variable speed intermittent wipers, MP3 player, ABS, rear bench seat, and cruise control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.